Hello my beautiful friends, welcome. My name is Christina Marie. I do beauty reviews, tutorials, unboxings, lots of unboxings, and lots of giveaways. I have a ton of giveaways going on right now, especially for the month of December. I will put all of that information in the description box down below. Every month I do an eyeshadow palette giveaway, which is one of them. And this one that I'm giving away for December is the Beauty Bakery Proof is in the Pudding eyeshadow palette. I also am giving away a Tati Beauty palette. I'm also doing a holiday giveaway. I've got a lip monthly giveaway going on. I have got all sorts of stuff going on. You guys have dubbed me the queen of giveaways, and I love giving back to my subscribers. That's the #1 rule for all my giveaways, is that you must be a subscriber to my channel, and I do check. So let's talk Facetory. So Facetory, this one is the 7 sheet mask. They do, which ships out monthly, they do have a Lux box that's $50 that ships out seasonally. This one is $19.90 a month. I love getting this, you guys. You guys take some time to treat yourself. Even if it's just something small, even if it's doing 1 face mask a month, whatever it is, take that 5-10 minutes just for you, just to relax, just to kind of unwind. You can, get masks for, $3. Some of these masks in here are $3. Just take that and, just unwind, I know that the holiday seasons can be really stressful, and just take a minute for yourself is my recommendation. So I love doing these because I do a masking review series here on my channel where I try on different masks, review them, let you know what I think. I also rank them. And so I love putting these towards these upcoming videos that I'm doing. So let's find out. Let's meet the 7 that are in here. There's usually also a couple bonus items as well. So let's dive in. So it has on here, just keep glowing. What am I thinking of that? I don't know if it was a TV show or something that said, just keep going, just keep going. I don't know. I don't know what it is. If you guys know what I'm talking about, let me know in the comments down below. So this says, Happy December. It's time to focus on calming and resisting your skin. This month, 7 Lux contains gentle moisturizing sheet masks to help your skin feel pampered and loved. We also threw in some of our favorite bonus gifts for you to try. Grab a cozy blanket, light a candle, play some music, and sheet mask away. So the first product in here is from, and so all of these are K-Beauty products. So the first product in here is from Elakoko. It's their Noni Enriched Nourishing Mask. Retails for $3.50. And nourish your skin with a great sheet mask that is both refreshing and moisturizing. Why they love it, the sheet mask contains fruit extract and makes your skin feel soft and moisturized. It feels super soothing and cooling when applied, and we absolutely love the glow that it provides. The key ingredients are the fruit extract, a skin soothing and antioxidant rich ingredient that smooths and moisturizes to minimize the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Don't be alarmed if in the description of the package it says whitening, as this simply translates to brightening. From Betterskin is their premium antioxidant Biocellulose sheet masks. I love Biocellulose sheet masks. This retails for $9. Relax and take a break with the sheet mask infused with cleansing and hydrating ingredients to help renew the skin. Why they love it, the Biocellulose sheet mask always feels like a spa treatment at home, and this is no exception. This mask feels luxurious on our face and leaves us with a dewy glow. Key ingredients are Hydrating. This ingredient is an antioxidant rich, as well as anti-inflammatory. It helps with calming the skin and delivering hydration. Note, the sheet mask has protective films. To apply, remove the white protective film and apply the mask onto your face. Then remove the clear film and adjust the sheet mask accordingly. I love masks that are like that because they are so much easier to put on the face and kind of unfold. And you know, sometimes you're kind of struggling to unfold them. That ones that are like this take care of that for you. From Cosmetea is the T5 Nourishing Tea Ampoule Mask. This retails for $3.50. And why they love it, this serum is gel-like but absorbs like water. It feels hydrating and calming on our skin and feels so renewed after using this mask. Key ingredients are black tea extract. This ingredient helps provide an antioxidant boost to help reduce the appearance of puffiness and dark circles. Note, the sheet mask has a protective film to apply. Place the smooth side of the mask onto your face and smooth it out. Carefully remove the outer portion of the film, just like kind of that other one had. From ID Plascosmetics is the ID.AZ Dermatest Bright Fit Mask. And it's a brightening sheet mask that leaves the skin feeling and looking healthier. It retails for $3. Why they love it? We love that it has a light creamy essence that isn't super sticky. Our skin feels smoother and looks super radiant the next morning. Key ingredients are pearl extract. The ingredient brightens the skin, adds radiance, and helps protect the skin from facial stress. From Lassie'el is their Deep Focus Petit Patch Mask Dark Spot Solution. This two-step sheet mask packs a punch. It contains a pair of dissolvable patches and a sheet mask to give the skin the ultimate pamper treatment. Sometimes if I have a big event or something, I will do that. I'll do the eye patch underneath and a face one over it. This one does retail for $5. And why they love it, this mask certainly surprised us with the unique melting eye patches. So after applying the mask over the patches, we noticed that the patches dissolved completely and we're left with this smooth and glowing complexion. That's kind of interesting that they dissolve. So step one with the eye patches, after cleansing and applying a toner, take out step one eye patch and carefully apply them on the area under the eyes. The patches are infused with glucosamine to brighten and protect the skin. Step two, the sheet mask. Carefully apply the mask over the eye patches and onto your face. Leave on 10 to 20 minutes. Gently remove the mask and pat in remaining essence. This mask contains sodium ascorbyl phosphate, a vitamin C derivative that naturalizes free radicals, preventing fine lines and wrinkles. Love this. This is also, this brand Lassie'el is also cruelty free. By MediHeal is the HDP Photoready Tightening Charcoal Mask. It is a skin clarifying sheet mask that uses high definition perfection HDP solution to even out and brighten the complexion. This mask, you guys, $2. So why they love it, the sheet mask minimizes pores and clarifies our skin. The material of the mask is also super soft and it's made of finely ground pure charcoal that is layered over the soft bamboo sheet. The key ingredients are centella extract, a skin calming and hydrating ingredient that heals the skin and soothes irritation. From Galantry, this must be a two-step mask. It's a two-step mask that removes dead skin cells, smooths skin texture, and hydrates skin for a brighter complexion. Oh, this MediHeal, this was MediHeal's cruelty-free. So why they love it, this retails for $6. And they love it for using two-step mask when our skin is feeling congested and dull. It helps clean out pores, tone our skin, and moisturize. Step 1, the peeling pad, swiping in the middle of your face and outwards, the microfiber side to gently remove dead skin cells. Then reverse the pad of the smoother side to smooth out the skin. The pad is infused with Rosa Damascus flower water to moisturize and tone the skin. Step 2, moisturizing mask. Apply the mask on your face for 15 to 20 minutes. Afterwards, gently pat in the remaining essence. This mask is infused with Monodora Disma leaf extract, an anti-inflammatory ingredient that brightens the skin and calms irritation. So those were our 7 masks that we got in here. Look for those in an upcoming masking review series that I'm doing. Now let's get into the bonus items that they included with this box. I don't know about this, you guys. So from Elishacoy, which is cruelty free, is this Snail Hydrogel eye patch. Tried a Snail face mask before and it was okay. It wasn't the end all be all, so I'm anxious to see how these are gonna work out. It's a hydrogel eye mask that gives the delicate area around the eyes extra tender love and care. They retail for $3.60 each. They did include 2 of them in here. Obviously there's 2 here and there's 2 in here. So you have, 1 for each eye and 1 for each eye. Why we love it, morning or night. We love Nourishing, this eye mask, and it helps hydrate and smooth out the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. It also gives a nice cooling sensation when it's applied. I love storing these in my fridge, you guys, so that way when I do apply it, it does give the cooling, it does help depuff, and so I love using stuff like this before a big event for that reason. And the key ingredients are the Snail secretion. This ingredient helps hydrate the skin, fade hyperpigmentation, brighten the skin, and smooth texture. What do you guys think of Snail masks? Let me know in the comments down below. From Lassie'el, I've tried a couple of their masks before and they are cruelty free. This is the Mugwort Rescue Soothing Pads. There are 10 pads in here. This retails for $6. And it's a hydrating skin calming pads and purifying, brighten, tone, and hydrate the skin. They love it for the one is an absolute must try. This pads add moisture to our skin after we cleanse. No more of that dry, tight feeling. We also notice our complexion is even brighter after using these pads. Directions: after cleansing, gently wipe pads across the face and proceed with the rest of your skincare routine. It does have Artemisia vulgaris extract. A soothing and gentle ingredient repairs the skin and helps strengthen the skin barrier. This will be really good to try. And the last item is a hair mask bonus item. It is by Rated Green. It is the cold press avocado nourishing scalp mask with banana. Retails for $4 and they love it because it's a nourishing scalp mask, strengthens and moisturizes the scalp without adding extra weight to your locks. I love doing hair masks. I do them every Sunday night. If I have time, I'll try and do it one other time during the week as well. They love it that our head feels clean and fresh after using this product. It helps our hair last longer between washes and makes our hair silky smooth. It also gentle enough for our team members with sensitive scalps. The directions are: after shampooing, apply a generous amount to clean, wet scalp and hair. Gently massage and leave on for 5 minutes. Rinse thoroughly with lukewarm water. No need to use a conditioner, gentle enough to use daily. The key ingredient is that avocado extract. It's a nourishing and moisturizing delivering ingredient for the hair. It's packed with vitamin E to help protect against dryness and to promote hair growth. So I love this box, you guys. What do you guys think about this box? Let me know in the comments down below. If you like this video, hit that like button. If you haven't subscribed yet, do. It does really mean a lot to me when you like, subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you know when our next video will be posted. As always, you guys have a beautiful day and I will see you soon. Bye.